You can create a full song using AI in less than 2 minutes. No skills, no studio, nothing. Watch this. I'm going to show you how to do it using Google Gemini. Just copy what I do and you'll have your own song today. Wait, it gets better. Step 1, idea. Go to Gemini and type, create a catchy Afrobeat song idea with vibe, tempo, and instruments. And boom, you instantly get a full concept. Style, mood, instruments, everything. Step 2, lyrics. Type this. Write a viral TikTok song about success and money, short and catchy. Now read this out loud. It already sounds like a real song. Imagine this with a beat. Here's the crazy part. Step 3, structure. Type, turn these lyrics into a song with intro, verse, chorus, and outro. Now your song is organized like a professional track. Intro, verse, chorus, done. Now this is where it gets crazy. Stay inside Google Gemini and type, generate a full song with music, vocals, and instrumental in Afrobeat style. Make it sound professional and catchy. Hit enter, wait a few seconds, and just like that, you have a real song.
Wake up, check the screen, yeah, the numbers look right. I was dreaming in the day, now I'm living in the light. Manifest it, then I bless it, put the pressure on the win. If I lose a couple racks, I'm just gonna double them again. Clock in? Nah, I just clocked the growth. Big bags, big dreams, yeah, I'm chasing.
Everything done for you, from nothing to a full track, inside one tool. Imagine this. Imagine making 10 songs like this every day, testing them, posting them. That's how people go viral. Quick tip, don't just create one song, create many. Change styles, test different vibes. That's how you find a hit. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment AI music. Next, I'll show you how to automate this entire process. Rock it!